So very good morning dear student, welcome back in today's science class. So as you know that in our last class we have started the new chapter of our textbook, the chapter 16, that is light, reflection and refraction. So in that we discuss about the light. Means light is what the form of energy which enables us to see the object, and in that we also discuss about the reflection. Reflection means it's a process or phenomena of bouncing back of a light when it strikes to any surface. So now, and after that we also discuss the very important the two laws of reflection. So if you remember that we discussed the two important law of reflection. First one, the angle I means the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Means that we discuss angle I equal to what? Angle R, or angle R is equal to the angle I. And second law, that the incident rays, reflected ray and normal all lies in the same plane. So that are what the two important law of reflection. So that already we covered, we discussed in the last class. Just short recap is there. Okay, in front of you I present once again. But now today we are going to start or discuss very important things about the plane mirror. So plane mirror, simply the plane mirror means it's a type of mirror which you see at your homes. We use at our homes for what? For making hair or to see our face. Early in the morning when you walk up and you start to toothbrush, toothbrush करते हैं तो आप अपने फेस को जब देखते हैं ना, माउथ वॉश करते हैं वॉशरूम में, या अपन स्कूल के लिए रेडी होते हैं तो अपने जो फेस अपन देखते हैं, हेयर बनाते हैं, अपन कंघी करते हैं ना, दिस कॉम, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो वो सिंपल जो मिरर होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? प्लेन मिरर. सो प्लेन मिरर मीन्स ऐसा जो है जो एक साइड से पॉलिश किया होता है, एक सरफेस जो होती है दैट इज कंप्लीटली पॉलिश्ड. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? द प्लेन मिरर. सो नाउ इन टुडेज क्लास वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट? द इमेज फॉर्मेशन इन ए प्लेन मिरर. मीन्स व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनी इमेज दैट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द प्लेन मिरर. मीन्स प्लेन मिरर में किस टाइप की इमेज बनती है. After the reflection, what type of image is formed by a plane mirror? What are the characteristics or what are the quality? What are the property of a image which is formed by the plane mirror? So simply, this plane mirror always forms the virtual and erect. What? Virtual and erect image. Virtual. So before going to start this topic, we should come to know about the two things. What do we find this? Real and virtual image. Real image and second one is a virtual image. So real image means which can be taken on the screen. The image which can be taken on a screen, that is called what? A real image. And virtual image means which cannot be taken on the screen, that is known as what? A virtual image. So the image formed by this plane mirror is always what? The virtual and direct type of image. So now everybody, you see in your textbook this page 189, there are clearly some 5 or 6 the basic properties or you can say the basic characteristics of an image formed by the plane mirror is given. So first one, you see the size of the image is same as the object. Means whatever the size of the object, okay, जितना object का size होगा same size इसकी होगी image. So image is equal to the in a size equal to the object. If we are taking the 5 centimeter object, suppose that I am taking this a pen as the object, so the image is formed equal to the size of this same as this pen. Okay, suppose हमारी जो image है that is 6 centimeter है, so image is also formed equal to the 6 centimeter. So first thing is that what? The size of the image is always equal to the size of a object very clearly. Okay, size of a image is always equal to the object. जैसा object होगा वैसे ही उसकी image बनेगी similarly. Okay, second is the image cannot be taken on a screen and displayed is what kind of image is there? It's a virtual type of image which cannot be taken on the screen. So the image which is formed by this plane mirror is always what? The virtual, means which is not taken on the screen. It's not a real image. Just like आपको आभास होगा जैसे कहीं से आगे, just like वो इसी से just you see, just like हमें तरह से ऐसा महसूस होता है कि कहीं से आगे बाहर से आगे मिल रही है. It's not a real image, so it's not taken on the screen. So second property, second characteristic, the image cannot be taken on the screen and hence it became what? The virtual. Thirdly, the image formed by this plane mirror is a red. This became what? Red. Means red means CD. CD खड़ी रहेगी, just like just you see here in the pictures, the image जैसा ये pattern just like we are taking as a object. और इसकी image बिल्कुल इसके जैसे ही बनेगी, same types. Okay, CD खड़ी है ना, उल्टी नहीं बनेगी ना, आभासी होगी और सीधी बनेगी. Okay, this is the characteristics of an image formed by the plane mirror. Third thing, the image formed by a plane mirror, it shows the lateral inversions. This is a very important property of or characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. Lateral inversion is a phenomena by which the right part of the image looks like a left and left looks like a right. That is called what? The lateral inversion. Means जो right part है वो आपको image में left दिखेगा और left वाला part looks like a right. This is called what? The lateral inversions. Many times this question may be asked in exams. What do you mean by the lateral inversions? So lateral inversions means what? It's a phenomena of what? The right part of a object looks like a left and left looks like a right. This is called what? This is called lateral inversions. So the left of the object appears as the right of the image and right looks like a left. This phenomena is called what? Lateral inversion. So this lateral inversion is a basic property of what? The image formed by a plane mirror. Next, then the distance between the object and the mirror is same as the distance between the image and the mirror. The distance between the object and the mirror means whatever the distance between, suppose that this distance became the 1 meter. Okay, just like you capture the object in front of the plane mirror by the one distance of the 1 meter. 1 मीटर की डिस्टेंस पे आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के रख रहे हो तो उसकी जो इमेज बनेगी वो भी कहाँ पे बनेगी? 1 मीटर के दायरे में. मीन्स 1 मीटर मीन्स इमेज और उसके बीच का जो इमेज डिस्टेंस इज आल्सो 1 मीटर. मीन्स जितना डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट और मिरर के बीच में होगा सेम डिस्टेंस इमेज और मिरर के बीच में भी होगा. सो द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट and the mirror is same as the distance between the image and the mirror. जितना object और mirror के बीच का distance है same distance between the image and the mirror is there. Suppose that this is the 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. This distance between the object and mirror became the 5 meter. So image also formed at the distance of 5 meter. Means the distance between the image and this mirror is also 5 meter. So means हमेशा equal distance पे always this image is formed at the equal distance. The distance between the object and mirror and image and mirror that's equal. 5 meter में तो 5 meter पे ही image बनेगी. If you kept the object at the 2 meter, the image is also formed at the 2 meter. So this is at water the basic properties of water, the image formed by the planar mirror. Now next we are going to discuss about the multiple refraction. This multiple reflection. Multiple reflection. So now you see in your textbook page 190 the multiple reflection. The sometimes you might have seen the barber holding another mirrors behind you, had to show the haircut in the areas not visible to you. Means if you visit to the barber shop, if you visit to salon for the hair cutting, so you see the different images of yourself, when you are sitting on the chair, so you find the different images. Because of what? The multiple reflection is there. Means there are more than one reflection is there. Multiple reflection is there, so that forms what? The many images is there. So in such cases, what do you observe? How many images are formed? And so in that cases, means how many the images formed, how many images we can see. So that is depends on what? The angles between the position of a mirror. Means कितने एंगल पे जो मिरर रखे हुए हैं वो किन सी पोजीशंस पे. So in that case we use one formula for finding the multiple reflection. We use one formula, and by using that formula we can find the number of images. So there is n is equal to, we can say that 360 divided by this angle theta minus 1. So this is the formula. This is the formula. Here this n is equal to number of images. This 60 degree and this theta is equal to angle between two mirrors. Now suppose that this theta means what? Theta means angle. Okay, or you can say this angle. Now for example, if suppose that we kept two angles at 60, suppose तो दो मिरर को हमने 60 डिग्री के एंगल से ना रखा है, एक ऐसे और दूसरा उसके 60 से. So now how many the number of images we got? Okay, so how many number of images is formed? So this theta equal to what? 60 degree, and we have formula this n is equal to 360 divided by this theta means this 60 minus 1. So 6 1 is 6, 0 0 cancel, and 6 1 is 6, and 6 6 are 36. So 6 minus 1 means there how many images? 5 images is there. How many images is formed? 5 images is formed. And if this angle become what? This theta becomes 90. Suppose that जो angle है वो यदि 90 पे है, suppose that एक मिरर इस तरह से है और दूसरा मिरर बिल्कुल 90 पे लगा हुआ है ना. So in that case how many images is formed? So simply you use this n is equal to 360 and divided by theta. How much theta? The value of theta is 90. So put the value and minus 1. So now solve this one. 0 to 0 cancel. This 9 to 9. 9 4s are 36. So that's n is equal to 4 minus 1. Means it became 3 images. How many images is formed? 3. 3 images is formed. So simply you use this theta is equal to 45 also. 60, 45 how. So जितना angle से दिया by using that angle you can using this formula you can find the number of images in the case of multiple reflection. So now you see in your textbook once again. So it will be observed that the large number of images are formed. In fact, the number of images formed are infinite. This happens because image formed by one mirror serves as object for another mirror and so on. Means एक इमेज जो बनेगी दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए वापस इमेज बनेगी, वो इस तरह से जो है ना रिफ्लेक्शन हो जाता है. एंड दिस फिनोमेना आल्सो यू कैन सी दिस मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शन इन अ डायमंड. जो ग्लास हाउस होते हैं, द हाउस व्हिच इज मेड अप ऑफ द ग्लास, दैट यू सी दिस मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शन इज देयर इन डायमंड. Diamond is occurs in this way. There the total reflection or multiple reflection of light is taking place there. internal reflection. That's the case of internal reflection. This stethoscope, this is also depend on the reflection. So this that happens because the image formed by one mirror serves as the object for the another. एक इमेज बनी वो दूसरे के लिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट का काम करती है ना. So we can conclude that the multiple or the infinite images are formed by the two parallel mirrors. Now let us explore how many images are formed. Means कितनी इमेजें बनेगी. So this I think depends on this formula. This n is equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1. By using this formula, you can calculate the number of images, how many images formed during the multiple reflection, at what angle both the images, both mirrors are kept or arranged. So when the two mirrors are kept at the angle to each other through the activities given below. So here one activity is given in your textbook, the different angle is given between the mirrors, that will be the change vary according to, you can see this 90, 75, 60, 45, 30 or 0 degree. So by using this formula you can calculate the number of images and complete this table or tabular form. So after studying the table in the activity, you observe that any pattern in the number of images formed that can be generalized by this formula or given by this relations. So this n means this represent or indicate the number of images formed by an after the reflection, and this theta or this a simply in your textbook this given what a means this n is equal to 360, this a minus 1. So here this a is equal to what this angle. Okay, in your textbook this a is given, or simply sometimes you can find this theta. Theta means the given angle. Okay, this theta means what? The given angle. So by using this relation or formula, you can calculate the number of images. The number of images formed is given by the simple this relation, this one. So now you see this here. So by putting simply these values, suppose that this theta is given, this theta is given 90 degree, this theta is given okay 75, this 60, 45, this 30, 0, 180. कुछ भी angles है ना. So simply put this values here. कोई भी simple value को by putting in this you can find the number of images. Okay. So the phenomena of multiple image formation is used in many places such as this exhibition, in toys, and in a device such as the kaleidoscope. So this the phenomena of this multiple reflection is used in many different type of toys or devices. So in that the one kaleidoscope is there. So kaleidoscope means is a simple device which is used or which is based on the principle of multiple reflection. So by you can also prepare your kaleidoscope with your own. You can see this activity is given. So for today this is enough. And I will send you the homework related to this topic. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then you can clear in a Google Meet class. So thank you. Have a nice day.